I will start the intro. Just wait. 3, 2. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Minecraft Bed Wars with Mr. Baby Gaming, whatever it is.
Hey, don't call me Mr. Baby. I'm Mr. Just call me Mr. Baby.
Okay.
Just don't call me
And
Mr.
before-
Baby. Just call me Mr. It's the only thing
Okay.
you can tell me.
Okay.
Okay,
And before we
let's-
get on to the video, I will be doing another face reveal as I deleted it. So subscribe when I get to like 10,000 subscribers. I will do that face reveal. So yeah, on to the
Oh,
video.
I would do at 3 million, I guess.
Nah, okay, just go.
Okay, click on quick join.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Click join.
Yes, you join it. I see Sanad Plays. Oh, that's a weird name.
That's my actual name, right?
Oh, okay, I think so. Like,
Oh,
I'm
here you are.
new.
There you are.
Yeah, man, your
Are you
skin
wearing
looks
an
cool. How's my
Are you
skin? How's my skin?
Are you wearing an Among Us? It looks like Among Us to me.
Man, it's not Among Us. Do you know Mr. Beast?
Are you sure?
Do you know Mr. Beast?
Okay, yeah, I do. I don't care.
Yeah, like I just edited it.
Okay. Keep on going.
Which
Keep on.
team? I see that you are in red team.
I'm
huh?
in red. Yeah, okay. That's great. I'm in a hackers team. You remember that.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
What if I used hacks? What would you do? If I used hacks?
If you use hack, I'll ban you from my server.
I don't even know your server IP. how you will ban me?
I'll ban you from my Minecraft. I'll ask Mojang to ban you.
Man, this is not Mojang.
I know
This
whatever
is
it
not
is.
I know.
Whoever made this game, whoever made it,
That's Notch. Now it is Notch doesn't own Minecraft. That's the thing.
Oh, I
You just-
forgot. I forgot to get iron and stuff. Wait.
Wow, that's awesome. I should tell you you're awesome.
Oh my god. Hackers are already starting to defend the bed awesomely.
Awesomely? You mean awesomely,
whatever.
right? But
Yeah,
they
yeah,
are
whatever.
actually not awesome. No!
Which color are you in? Oh, you're in green.
Oh man, dude, no. Why? Why
I'll
would
get.
it happen
Yes,
to me?
I have enough for a iron sword. I have enough for a iron sword.
I just need so much wool right now. Otherwise, I won't survive.
10 gold for this little thingy. I need a knockback stick. Yeah, I got an iron sword already. You know.
I'm actually kind of new to Bed Wars, so I don't know anything. I just know to bridge and kill beds. That's it.
I
And
don't know how to
PvP.
bridge. I know
I
how
know how
to
to bridge.
PvP.
I'm good at bridging and PvPing, but
The only thing I'm not good at is bridging and other small.
I don't know one thing. That's the like you know what I say like. How should
What
I
is
say?
called?
Like I don't
I'm
know
good
the
at
basic
PvP.
of this game. Like
Finally, my mouse doesn't fail on me now. It doesn't fail on
what?
me.
Why would it fail on you?
It
Man,
did
bro,
fail
I
on me
just
like
have
many
a good,
times.
a big gaming PC. That's the thing. But you don't have. That's so weird.
I'm using a laptop, boy.
Oh, so you're using a laptop, huh? Okay. I just thought you were using something else and all.
Yeah. Okay, great. Okay, what is this way? Where am I? How do you go out of here? Okay, I got it.
Can you go and kill
What the-
yellow? Because I hate yellow.
Oh my gosh! What did red build?
What happened?
Look at red. Look at what red build. Oh, green.
Hi.
You
Okay,
rabbit.
don't kill me. Please, wait.
Yeah.
Why?
It's
I
mine.
hate you. I hate
No.
you. I hate you.
No.
I hate you
No.
so much. I hate you so much. That's
No.
That's what you get. Yes. That's what you get. That's what you get.
Great. Oh,
Should I leave?
maybe. I don't know.
I'm gonna
That-
leave. For you.
Okay, thanks.
Okay,
I always
so
leave
I'm
for you,
gonna
man.
do something. Okay? I'm going to do /BW party. Don't click anything. CREATE. Create, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna invite you BW party. Invite. What did I write? Party. Wait. /BW help. Hold up. Okay. /BW. What? /BW. /BW party.
Let's see go. Who said that? Let's go. Okay, let's just.
What? What? Help.
Okay, no problem. Just keep on going.
Wait, don't do, wait. I have an idea.
Who likes this thingy? Who likes this? Who likes my back? I mistakenly right click to join. I mistakenly right click.
Okay.
LEATE.
Party.
What are you trying to do, man?
Invite. Is your whole name with small letters?
What?
Your Minecraft name?
My Minecraft name is just normal son of place.
Okay.
That's all. Okay, you can check in the chat. Mine, I'm gonna say something blah blah blah.
Nice. Okay. Just say anything. Let me check.
Okay, DD. That's my name if you see it.
Yeah. It works. Okay.
That's-
Okay. Do slash party whatever command it says. Just type it.
Accept. Okay. Wait, I can't see. Mr. Baby Gaming. Okay, accept slash party.
Do it fast.
Okay, I'm saying AC. What is the spell? I forgot the spelling. Okay, I'm
Just check it, dude.
yeah.
What's
Accept,
going
slash
on in the
accept.
chat? What's going on in chat?
Slash party EPT. Accept. No.
No.
ACC EPT.
BW.
Yeah, I accepted. I
Yes.
accepted the
Okay,
invitation.
now I will control the game of you. Okay. Now you joined it automatically, and that's me. Okay, and you are going to be in my team.
Okay, great. That's awesome.
Okay. Let's see what is going on here. Okay, many people are right here.
To me, it looks like when I look at your shirt, it looks like Among Us to me.
No, it's not Among Us, dude. Why? Hi, Rainbow
okay.
Skeppy. I don't know
That's
who,
not
who
Rainbow
the hell-
Skeppy.
I know that's not Skeppy.
Okay, you're in red team.
Yes, I'm in red team.
Yeah,
Let's
great.
go.
That's awesome. Okay,
Hamdan.
you-
Hamdan. Okay, who is that?
I don't know. I'm that guy. I'm that. Who def the bed? Who said that def bed?
You. No,
Okay.
def means defend. DEF.
Oh, okay,
Defend.
I got that. Why? Okay. Def bed.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just
Read the
gonna
room.
rush. That's it.
You do the wool stuff. I'll get my own weapons. You know.
Yeah, you do that
Yeah,
all.
yeah, yeah.
I will do that all stuff.
I don't have anything. I can't get except wool. I can get wool, I guess.
You rush with me. What?
I got this.
You
If
know
you
what?
want clay, you can. Do you want clay? Do you need
No.
clay?
Okay. Can you defend the bed? Can you cover the bed?
Yeah, I'm covering it with double layers.
Yeah.
Double.
No, I just died. No. I was a god bridger, dude. What happened?
You are
I
a
just
god
lagged.
builder, but
Yeah,
But-
I am, but I just died. I don't know what bug is that. There is some bugs. I don't know what server is this. You invited to me?
is this okay if I cover this like this?
Yeah, that's okay. That's awesome.
Yeah, I don't have enough for something.
You know
else.
what don't I like? Oh wait, hold up the phone.
I need to get 7 gold. I need one more
Excuse
gold.
me,
I guess.
what's
Yeah, I
going
got
on
it.
here?
Get the
Ooh.
sword.
This looks
boom.
so cool. I love this.
7 gold.
Hi, Mister.
10 gold
Hi,
for
Mister.
that.
Hi, Mister. Yeah, bye,
Give
bye.
me 10 gold. No, I don't need it.
What? What? No. Can you just check the bed because someone is coming to us.
I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna kill him. Yay!
Yes.
Somebody
let's
got him
go. Man, you are a big
This is-
pro. I can tell
Maybe.
it. Yeah, you
Maybe.
are for sure. I guess. Oh my
I'm-
god, I was just going to fall into the void.
Me also. Same for me.
Okay, let's go and do some adventure, huh? Wait, Green
Adventure.
Team didn't even cover their bed. Wow.
Okay, then get it. Let's go get it.
Can you give me some
Let's go
wool, please?
target it.
Can you give me some wool, please, please?
I have two only. Take
Yeah,
this.
give me.
Yeah, take it.
Okay, give me that
Oh my
green.
god, he's behind it.
No, he just killed
I'm
me.
killing. No, he's gonna get me. He got me. He got me.
Oh my god, someone is
He
coming
got-
near the bed. Fell into the void. Okay. Yes, he's
I saw
coming.
him. Get him.
I see him. You bedless potato, you idiot. Get out of my face. Yes. I knocked him off.
Yeah.
Yes, I
You also
knocked him
died.
off. Yes.
You also
Let's
died
go.
also, but-
Let's go. I also died. Don't
Do
judge
you
me.
have any like 7 gold? Please?
I don't have anything right now. I should tell you that.
Okay.
Oh,
Do you have
look.
7 gold? Give me some.
Oh my god, yellow is coming! Please help! Help someone!
Get him. I'm coming.
Oh
Tell me
my,
when you're
no!
ready.
I'm just gonna die! I'm 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 gonna die! Yes! He died! He's about to die! Like, okay, okay. I see this guy.
Okay.
I see. He's half a heart. He's just half a heart. I'm gonna kill him. It's going to be easy as fuck.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh boy.
Are you invisible?
No, I'm not invisible. Okay, okay. What's going on here? I have no idea. No, I just died.
Oh, somebody's trying to shoot me. Somebody's trying to shoot me. Somebody's trying to shoot me.
And boom, I have to get some wool. And should I get a TNT? Yep, I should. Now I'm going to. Oh no! My our bed. My bed. Yes. Why am I lagging? Oh, okay. There was
I'm gonna cut it.
Hello, Mister, buddy. Yeah, Mister. I'm Mr. Beast. I'm a fake Mr. Beast. Oh. Holy.
Don't really copy other things, man.
I know. How is he going up? No. I will never let
I
this
need code.
happen.
Yes. Yo, go. Gungu gaga, goo gaga, bing bam.
I'm just trying to go to green and
Ooh, there's a lot of
finish
gold.
them.
There's a lot of gold for a knockback stick. I need a knockback stick.
No. Why don't you go and shoot someone else, please? Leave me alone. I want to get some things. No.
I see some gold.
It's
Somebody's gold.
I
got somebody's gold.
Okay, I need so much wool.
Give
right
me. Two more gold. I'm gonna two more gold.
Let's go. Okay, I think we should end the recording. It has been a long time right now.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna end it. You can leave just 1 minute. I'm gonna defeat this game, and
Thank you guys
will be
for
it.
watching and bye.